Hello guys! In this tutorial, we'll show you the process of creating APN certificate. Go to Identifiers section under Certificates, Identifiers, and Profiles. Select the app ID that you want to submit, which you have just created. Click on Configure option in front of Push Notifications under Certificates. A pop-up will open. Click on Certificate under Development, SSL Certificate. Another pop-up will open. Click on OK. Select iOS under Platform. Click on Choose File to Upload .csr certificate that you have downloaded. Select the .csr certificate and click on Open to upload it. Once done, click on Continue. Finally, click on Download to download the certificate. Now click on All Certificates to go back to Certificates, Identifiers, and Profiles section. That's all for now. Please proceed to the next video to complete the submission process. Thanks for watching.